Hi my friend, my name is Dan Hammer and I want to thank you for joining me on this journey to help improve your athletic performance. If you want to work at a higher aerobic capacity, improve muscular strength and endurance, and reduce lactic acid buildup, then this video series is for you. I work with a lot of athletes, and the one underlying component that they never truly address, but which can make a huge difference in their training, performance, and recovery, is the health and function of their endothelium. Now, raise your hand if you know what the endothelium is and what function it plays in athletic performance. I thought so. If you're like most of the athletes I work with, you have never heard of the endothelium. And if you have, you most likely have no idea how it can assist you in taking your athletic performance to the next level. My job in these 4 videos is to help educate you and show you how this little known organ can specifically impact your training, performance, and recovery, so let's get started. As you can see by the slide on the screen, your endothelium is a 1-cell thick layer that lines all of your cardiovascular system. Your heart, arteries, capillaries, and veins are lined by the endothelium. Because it's only 1 cell thick, many scientists thought it was just an inert membrane whose only function was to keep the blood in the circulatory system and out of your body's tissues and organs. Research over the last 25 years has shown the endothelium to be an active, multifunctional organ that plays a vital role in metabolic, immunologic, and cardiovascular health. If you scraped all your endothelial cells together, they would weigh almost as much as your liver. If you spread them out as a 1-cell thick layer, they would cover almost 4 to 8 tennis courts in surface volume, depending upon your overall size and body weight. Scientists now believe that your endothelial cells ultimately determine the health of your blood vessels and how well your cardiovascular system functions. In fact, the 1998 Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded to 3 American researchers who discovered how this 1-cell thick organ that lines all of your cardiovascular system produces nitric oxide, the master signaling molecule of your cardiovascular system. You're most likely familiar with the term nitric oxide because there are a lot of supplements in the marketplace promoting their ability to increase your nitric oxide production. Unfortunately, most do not properly work because they are not designed to heal the endothelial cells, which is extremely important. We'll talk more specifically in our 3rd video about nitric oxide and its effect on your cardiovascular health and blood flow. For now, I want you to understand 2 very important reasons why you need to repair and support your endothelial cells. The first reason is that properly functioning endothelial cells make a huge difference in your blood flow. By properly producing nitric oxide, you facilitate blood flow to your tissues and organs. Improved blood flow means improved oxygenation. This results in more energy and less lactic acid. Let me ask you a question. If you had 2 stock options that could pay you for the rest of your life, which would you choose? A stock option that paid you a 2% return, or one that paid you a 36% return? The answer I get all the time is a 36% return. That is the difference between anaerobic respiration without oxygen and aerobic respiration with oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, 1 unit of glucose produces 2 units of energy, and the waste product is pyruvic acid, which is converted to lactic acid and becomes the limiting factor for your athletic performance. In aerobic respiration, 1 unit of glucose produces 36 units of energy, and the waste products are water and carbon dioxide. 18 times more energy, with water to help hydrate your system, plus carbon dioxide, which changes the pH in your lungs to allow them to bind more oxygen to your red blood cells so that you can actually deliver even more oxygen to the working tissues. This improved blood flow also allows for better delivery of nutrients to sustain you in your exercise phase and help you recover and repair in your resting phase. The second reason for properly functioning endothelial cells is that they're involved in a process called angiogenesis, or the formation of new capillary beds. This is important for heart and muscular development. This process helps you increase the number of capillary beds that feed these tissues to improve blood flow, the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, and the removal of waste products. As you can see, your endothelial cells are critical to your overall athletic performance. Because of this, you need to properly repair them and nourish them. In our next video, I will help you understand how 2 natural amino acids need to be part of your daily diet to facilitate the repair of your endothelium and improve their ability to properly create nitric oxide, the master signaling molecule of your cardiovascular system. If you have any questions about this information or need to contact me, then please either email me or call me directly. My contact information is listed on the screen. Or contact the person who turned you on to this video. We're here to help you naturally improve your athletic performance. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video as I share with you this vital information about these 2 amino acids.